This is the back of the flamingo bag, and as you can see here, I have cut the bobbin thread. Make sure you don't destroy your stabilizer. And on the front, I'm going to pull out the threads, and hopefully it will look like a fringe. So I'm doing them one at a time from the bottom and up. If you got some bobbin thread, you can just take them away. Like this. Looking good. So this is one row of fringe, and then you just continue with the next and the next and the next. So this is how it looks like before I cut the bobbin thread on the back on the fringes. So make sure you don't cut the upper thread, just the bobbin thread. And you can use one of these or anything that works for you, basically. And you depending on the material, you will have to check your tension so you can see your bobbin thread. If you only have a tiny piece of bobbins that's visual, you can, I tried it, you can see if you find some places where you can cut it, and then you pull the bobbin out of from the back, and then you cut it on a few places, and then you'll be able to continue with the fringe on the front. So it's important that you don't cut the upper thread, because if you do that, you don't get this loop from the thread. You will just have loose ends hanging. So you do this on one row at a time, or all of them if you want to, and then you pull out the thread on the front. And that is recommended that you do one at a time. So you find the pieces where you have pulled it, or you cut it on the back, and then you take something that is not sharp. Don't do it like this. And then you find the thread and pull them. Okay, I need to use the correct row. like this. And then you just remove, if you have some bobbin thread, you can just take them away. So that is how you do the fringe. So this is how it looks when it's done. If you want to, you can give it a haircut, or if you have some long threads hanging, you can just trim them a bit. So, hope you enjoy this bag. I really do.